Alright guys, here we are once again with yet another update on the Bitcoin weekly chart. We are just 1 day and 4 hours away from the weekly close, and on today's chart we are going to see what is the possible outcome out of Bitcoin in this upcoming week and what we can expect from the market. So let's just dive in and I'll try to make it as quick as possible. We can see that the current price of Bitcoin is holding at 51,372 USDT, and the high that it went was 52,829 USDT. That's the high that we can see, which is close to 53k. And as I was talking about the 52k resistance range, we can see that it has successfully went to 52,800, close to 53k. So let us just consider 53k, close to 53k, to be the resistance as of now. All right, this will be the resistance that we can check it out, and the Bitcoin price has not been able to break above this level. As we are just near to the weekly close, it is quite important for Bitcoin either to break above this level so that we can see a weekly close above this in order to make a higher rally. If Bitcoin fails to close above this level of resistance, then we can see that still it will create a chances for Bitcoin to get rejected from this resistance level. All right, let me just quickly write it down over here as 53k resistance so that we all can understand. Okay, we have the 53k resistance at this point. So we can see that this is the first resistance that we are looking at. We have another resistance which is at 60,000 USDT. 60,200 to be precise, but I'm just assuming a 60k as the second resistance. So let me just quickly copy paste over here, and instead of writing the whole thing, let me just write it down as 60k. So that's the second resistance that we are looking at if we can see a good breakout taking place. So that's the level that we are checking out on the resistance side. Let's come down to the support level. Now if Bitcoin rejects from this level, as I was pointing out, this level to be important for Bitcoin to break out, and then if successfully it breaks out this level, then 60k is the target that we are keeping in. Now if the Bitcoin price fails to reject from this level, then we might see a breakdown coming in the upcoming week, maybe all the way close to 44k. So in the range of 44k, we can see that it is the first support level that we can see it in this weekly time frame, although we have the support level of maybe close to 48k as well, but I don't think it is going to be that strong to hold on to, and maybe we will see a drop coming in all the way to 44k. So ultimately I can see 44k to be a good strong support level for the Bitcoin price. And we all know that the halving is coming in, and we all are anxiously waiting for the Bitcoin halving to take place. Many of the influencers has been talking about the rejection or the correction coming in before the halving, and some are pointing out that after the halving we will see their possible correction in the Bitcoin price. If the Bitcoin price is rejecting or showing some correction, then I can see that all the way down to close to 30k. Yeah, 30k or 31k, that's the level that Bitcoin can drop down, which will be close to 40% from the current level, right? The current market price, it will be 40% drop coming in if the correction comes up, which will be quite huge for the market, and maybe a good opportunity for accumulating more of the Bitcoin. Right now, as the price is that high, it is quite easy to say it that accumulation will be quite nice at the range of 30k. But to be honest, being a trader, if you see Bitcoin reaching out to 30k, that will be a panicking situation. It won't be that easy for you to simply accumulate Bitcoin at that price, because you will be doing FOMO and you will be confused whether to buy it at this price, because once the Bitcoin makes that huge drop, you might be thinking that if the Bitcoin can drop this far, it might go all the way to maybe 25 or 26k as well. And if the Bitcoin price is going all the way to 26k, it is quite possible to see Bitcoin back to 15 or 16k as well. It will be the sentiment that will play in your mind back then once we see this correction coming in. So guys, it is not going to be that easy. If you are determined to buy at that point, you stick to it, because there will be market makers who will be playing with your emotions, who will be making you to do FOMO, and there will be a lot of news that will get created if we see Bitcoin dropping out to that level. So right now we can see the importance of 52k resistance. Bitcoin needs to break this level in order to rally towards 60k. If not, then a rejection towards 44k is something that I'm expecting as for the time being. And later, how the market will play off, we'll be seeing according to that situation. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video informative. Please do not consider this as a financial advice. This video is only meant for educational purpose. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care, trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.